Hi, we're the Cutter family. We're just your ordinary, run-of-the-mill, everyday family. As a family of four, we can agree upon just about everything. But if there's one thing we can all agree upon, our love of country music.
No.
My mission is to travel this great country of ours with my family and drop in on unexpected country artists and persuade them to perform a live concert in their own backyard. Although things may not always go as planned, our love for family will keep us together forever. Because we are Country Crashers. I'm not your ordinary run-of-the-mill everyday moron.
Dad, alligator!
Bless your heart. She really peppered your pumpkin.
We're living, breathing, and eating country.
Really?
Almost there.
Hey guys, what are y'all doing?
I'm just trying to be the country star. Your mother and I are basically saying the same thing. She calls it breaking and entering. I call it showing up unannounced. I feel like I'm retaining water. What are the odds of finding a perfectly good parachute at a Goodwill store?
Did you think about that?
Yes, a package delivery for pardon? My plea, Your Honor, insanity.
What I'm trying to tell you is my husband is an idiot. Oops. Sorry.
Hey Reese, Dad's on fire again. You guys are so embarrassing.
These things are amazing. Who never thought they grew seafood in the Rocky Mountains?
Those are cow balls, idiot.
I insanely love my family.
Man, I gotta quit drinking.
The defense rests. It's like we're a bunch of country crashers.
Really, Fatty?